morning. Happy holidays, all my YouTube family. So this is Lady V back, your favorite garment engineer. And so now we are on our tapestry number 5. Yay! So welcome back to Tapestry Recon. If you saw my last video, then you saw the cute one shoulder dress that we did with the red tapestry. So now I have another tapestry that I know that y'all are gonna just love. But before we get into that, remember to like, share, subscribe. You can hit up my social medias at Lady V Dynasty on Instagram and Facebook, or you can check out my website at ladydynasty.com. I thank you all and all the new subscribers who are coming in, my new subscribers, the old subscribers. Just thank you so much. I hope y'all having an amazing holiday. So let's jump into the video. So as we already know, our supplier is Amazon.com. Remember, you can get these tapestries for about $6.99, $10.99, just depends on how big it is. This tapestry is a 60 by 40. So let's open it up. They come in this cute packaging. It's nice and well sealed. This little package right here has the clips. So like I said, with the tapestry, if you don't know what a tapestry is, tapestries are wall art. You hang them on the wall just like a curtain or something. And it's just a easy way to have art on your walls and or as a curtain or something without painting the wall or mounting something up there. It's something easy to put up, easy to take down. But what we do is we technically are like thrift flipping. We take a beautiful tapestry and we turn it into another piece of art. And in our case, a fashionable piece of art. So let me open this for you. Okay. As you see, we open this. These are little tabs. Oh, I just dropped it, fell on the couch. Ow. A little pen. You stick these into the tapestry to help them hang on the wall. So this is another cherry blossom one. So let me show you. So the cherry blossoms, you see. Now this one is really thin. This one kind of feels like a shower curtain, but still it works out. If you remember I believe it was our first Tapestry Recon video. I believe I have that dress. Hold on. This one is kind of similar to that. See how you got the cherry blossoms? And it ties in the back, zipper in the bottom. And if you would like to watch the video on this, just go to the very first Tapestry Recon. It's right up there and it says Tapestry Recon Cherry Blossom Dress. Now the difference between this one and this one is you can tell that this has more pink. If you look, this one has way more pink. And this has breast cups in it. Well, a bra, just in case, because I'm not blessed up here. Alright, so now that we know which tapestry we have and how we want to go about using it, let's get into the sketch. I have a couple patterns I want to look through that I might want to try out, because I think for this one, I want to try maybe a shirt idea. Hi guys, sorry that the picture's so blurry, but this is kind of the idea I'm going for. So let's get into this. So technically this is going to be kind of like a high-low t-shirt. It'll be a little higher in the front and long in the back. I'm just taking my t-shirt pattern that I have made of poster board and I'm tracing around it. I have to make 2 sides, one for the front, one for the back, as well as trace out the small sleeve. And being that I use poster board, it makes it so much easier to do this, and the process goes by even quicker. Okay, I usually use like a little marker or something. Just make sure when you cut, you're cutting off all that extra marker, unless you can wash the marker out. This is a washable Crayola marker, so it'll usually wash out of the fabric. So now I'm actually cutting. Sorry, my son's finger keeps getting in the way because he's always in here with mommy doing videography, his favorite pastime. So now I'm cutting out the front bodice and the neckline, and then I'll be cutting out the back bodice to make the long part of the t-shirt. Okay, now the fun part. Time to get creative. So now I'm thinking about, I'm going to put a black binding around the neck and a zipper, as well as some black binding underneath the crop of the shirt in the front bodice, just to give it some style. Maybe give it a little split in the front. And now it's time for us to sew it all together. Okay, all my lovelies, now that everything is good to go, let's head off to the final reveal. Thank you for watching, all my lovelies. See you in our next video. Bye.